Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous episode, we learned how to install Xampp software in our PC. In this episode, we are going to learn how to run a PHP program in our PC using the Xampp software. So let's start. So guys, we are going to start a new project in Xampp in order to run the PHP program. For that, we need to access the C drive. In C drive, you can see the folder name Xampp. Click on it and access to htdocs folder. There we need to create a folder. The folder name is first project, and we can access the first project folder by going to localhost/first project. Now we need to create a PHP file under this folder. In order to do that, we have to open a code editor. In my case, I am using the Visual Studio Code Editor. I shared the link to download Visual Studio Code Editor in the video description. First of all, we need to select the path of the project folder in Xampp. In C drive, Xampp, htdocs, and first project. There we need to create a new file and save it with the name of example.php. The extension must be PHP. So I am going to write the first PHP program. We need to start PHP program with this PHP code. The code echo will print the word that I am writing inside the double inverted comma. We need to close the PHP code with this code. Now you need to go to the browser under the first project folder and reload it, so we can see the PHP program file we created there. Click on it. There we can see the hello that I written inside the echo double inverted comma. This is how we run PHP code using Xampp. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. On the next chapter, we can learn about variables in PHP. Thank you for watching the video.